And we climbed up to the top of this thing right here. It's got a big star on the top of it. I think it's part of the old Furnace Creek Ranch and Resort. It's like a big sign to let people know where to go. So right there in front of us is the Texas Spring Campground. And then coming over on the left now, that's the Furnace Creek Campground. And the visitor center's over there, Furnace Creek Visitor Center. And then there's the Furnace Creek Ranch and Resort. And then over here is the Timbishia Shoshone Village. And then down here is some fancy lodge inn thing. I think maybe the Furnace Creek Inn. Bit windy up here.